मैंने पीछे मुड़ के देखा एंड मैं एक इंसान के डेड बॉडी को टेक कर बैठा था. पीपल डाई ऑन एवरेस्ट, सो आई टोल्ड माई सेल्फ कि नो, नॉट इवन वन मिस्टेक. Hello everyone, my name is Parth Upadhyay. I am a professional mountaineer. I was 15 years of age and I went for a small trek, and I just remember seeing the sunrise from the top of Mount Kalsubai. And वो sunrise देखते हुए मेरे mind में एक thought आया कि how would the sunrise look from the highest peak in the world. And in some ways that's when I promised myself कि इस लाइफ टाइम में मुझे एवरेस्ट क्लाइंब करना है और वो सनराइज देखना है. आई न्यू नथिंग अबाउट ट्रेकिंग, माउंटेनियरिंग, नथिंग एट ऑल. तो ये ड्रीम को रियलिटी में कन्वर्ट करने में मुझे 9 साल लग गए. देन अप्रैल 2019 में आई लेफ्ट फॉर माई एवरेस्ट एक्सपीडिशन. वी रीच द बेस कैंप ऑन 16th of April, but as you go higher, the oxygen levels, they start getting really low, and you can't walk for more than 3 to 5 steps at a time. So it is like 3 steps, 10 breaths, 3 steps, 10 breaths. It's a very slow process, but it's all about putting one step in front of the other. So एक पैर के आगे एक पैर रखते हुए we made it very high up the mountain. On 22nd May afternoon we reached the last camp, the camp 3 at 27,000 feet. Which is the highest camp in the whole world. Just this one thought came into my mind, that 9 years of dreaming, sacrifices, ulta सीधा सुनना लोगों का, for this one night which is about to come, for this bloody one night, and it's my time. So go for it. That's what I said to myself when I went for it. Faster than anybody else up there, I overtook everyone and I was just racing ahead. And there was this one point where I was waiting for my guide. बैठे बैठे मैं नाइट स्काई देख रहा हूँ and enjoy कर रहा हूँ. He comes up to me and वो मुझे देख के नेपाली लैंग्वेज में एकदम गंदी गाली देता है. वो बोलता है, अंधा है क्या तू? क्या हुआ भाई, चिल्ला क्यों रहे हो, आस्ते बोलो ना. वो कहाँ बैठा है तू, पीछे देख. तो मैंने पीछे मुड़ के देखा एंड मैं एक इंसान के डेड बॉडी को टेक कर बैठा था. आई रियलाइज इन दैट मोमेंट दैट यू नो, ये जो भी है इंसान, ही मस्ट बी जस्ट एज एक्सपीरियंस्ड, मे बी जस्ट एज स्ट्रॉन्ग एज मी. ही मेड मे बी वन मिस्टेक एंड सी वॉट हैपेंड. सो आई टोल्ड माई सेल्फ कि नो, not even one mistake. And you know, after that a very weird state of awareness opened up within me. If I wanted to even move my finger itna sa, even that was conscious. If I was blinking my eye, even that was conscious. And throughout the night everything went very smoothly. At 4:45 in the morning I reached the very last slope जहाँ से एवरेस्ट का समिट दिखता है. आई गेस अराउंड 100 feet away now, not more than that. And I just got down on my knees and started crying like a baby. You know, I don't know what happened to me. 9 years of struggle came in front of my eyes, and yeah, I took those last few steps towards the very top of the world. And when I reached the top at 5 in the morning, there was nobody up there except a small Buddha statue. I just held the statue like this and put my head on it. I said, thank you for opening your gates to me. Thank you for such a wonderful experience, and thank you for keeping me safe. And I sat next to the statue and I saw the view. वो व्यू जो मैंने पिक्चर्स, वीडियोस एंड डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज में देखा था इतने सालों से, वही व्यू मेरे रियलिटी में मैंने देखा उस दिन. एंड just on the eastern side I saw the sun rising, and just this thought came into my mind that as a 15-year-old, as a stupid 15-year-old who knew nothing about Mount Everest, you saw a dream. It took you 9 years, but you are seeing that sunrise which you dreamt of from Mount Kalsubai. And this is the power of a bloody dream. this sunrise, me seeing that sunrise is a living proof that no matter what your background is, no matter what the hell you do, no matter what people say, no matter how crazy your dreams are, if you really want to do it, if you really feel for it, and if you put in the right amount of efforts, right amount of energy, right amount of time, it is going to happen.